Well, good afternoon. There's another update on my SSM, stands for Simplified Motor Make and Model JLG Rocket update on the big bore kit. I have not gotten it taken care of yet. They're wanting $100 just to get it taken care of. I'm like, well, the only thing I can think of, this is a 50cc with an added, so it's an 80cc now. The bore kit's just loud, like I showed y'all in a previous video, so I'll get out. So it sounds like it's a 200 or something. I mean, I've gotten to the point, like I said, where, hey, if it goes out on me, you know, there's always another one. So I'm not complaining, you know. I've been in a worse situation, so hey, you know, I could probably just sell it for some parts or something if it just messes up, burns all she wrote on me. So thought I'd share that with y'all, you know. I mean, if there's like a situation you can't do nothing about, you know, and you can try all you can, you're financially stable, even if you're not, or to fix something like this, or you're smart yourself, but you're not still 100% sure how to work on it, you know, it's best not to do it. Because if you don't know what you're doing with something like this, you could really mess something up, and one thing that you mess up will lead to one after another, one thing breaking and breaking. So I'm just going to let this run its course, probably a little over to where it should be serviced like I did last time. I'm just going to take it real easy with it. And I have not did that lately, so I'm pretty sure I will. Because it's getting ready to get cold. That shouldn't be too stressful on the engine anyway. Now the battery, that's another concern, but I can get that taken care of. That's like $50 if that ever dies on me. Because I cannot kickstart it with the bore kit in it no more. So that's the shitty thing, as you can see. Look at this. Look, it doesn't even move all the way. See, it stops there. So I don't know what kind of big bore kit this is, but it's probably not that valuable. And to have it put in, it was $451 with labor. I will not do that again. And hey, that's on your time, but take my word for it. With one of these Chinese brand scooters, I would get a 72cc bore kit. I wouldn't get anything any stronger. It can just get hot and wear your motor out. And it could loosen quicker. So, all right. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.